Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to codingscientist.com. We are on project number 41 and I'm going to show you a game called air hockey. Most of you would have seen air hockey game in the television or even directly, right? Even ski hockeying, the air hockeying is almost the same, right? So how do we visualize that game into a GUI application using Python? So it's pretty easy, just about 400 lines of code. And I'm going to coach you, I'm going to train you, I'm going to walk you through line by line when you reach me out one on one for the session. For now, I'll show you a quick demo how this works. So let me run this code. It's if you look at the code, I did try to explain line by line. You can take a look at the code on my GitHub. It's there already. I left the link below. You can download it. You can try to compile it and run it and play. If you don't understand, I am there for you guys. I'll be happy to run this code for you. Let's just look at the demo. All right, let me run this code. And that's our beautiful hockey ground GUI. Now all I need to do is I need to use the arrow key to hit that particular striker. There you go. It looks like a carom board, but it's actually air hockey. Point for bottom. There you go. That's good. Let me try to, oops, the program got hung. Let me run this again. All right. There you go. I can, point for bottom. Again, let me just make it a little small. It's easy to visualize. I'll just run this program. Let me make it a little smaller. I think I should add a function to kill the program and restart again with a button. Okay, there you go. Now let me hit that box. Okay, point B. I can just, come on, man. Come on, it's not coming through. So that's the way you got to control it. It's little tricky game again. You have to just keep swiping it down and upwards. Let me make it a little bigger. Let me bring it to the center. I hope it comes down. So it's logic wise it's simple, but the programming part it gets little complex, guys. So I'll be very happy to coach you and teach you how to do it. Do reach me out on my WhatsApp, on my email. I'll be happy to schedule a one-on-one Zoom meeting and walk you through entire set of code, and I will be happy to configure it on your system. System can be either Jetson Nano or on your laptop, Windows laptop or Linux machine. Any of the open platform will do. All right, guys, see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.